So let's get the nature of the roots in the following 4 equations without getting the value of x. So ek wil die aard van die wortels uit hierdie 4 vergelykings hê, maar ek mag nie vir x oplos om dit te bepaal. Okay, so when you get that instruction, you're going to get the value of delta. Now delta is b kwadraat minus 4ac. That we must know. And each and every equation must be in the standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So that one is already equals 0. So I can gaan and I can do some substitution. So I can see b equals minus 1. A equals 1 and c equals minus 6. So out of that I can get a value. It's 1 plus 24. That gives me 25. So now I can get 3 properties of the roots. Number 1, because delta is greater or equals to 0, this guy is real. So that's one of the properties. You must unfortunately write it out. It's real. The next one, whether it's irrational or rational, if I want to know whether it's rational or irrational, when delta is in perfect square, it's rational. When delta is not a perfect square, it's irrational. So this is a perfect square, 5 times 5, so that this roots are also rational. Now the last one, whether it's equal or non-equal, if delta equals 0, it's equal roots. If delta equals not 0, it's unequal roots. So hierdie is unequal roots. So there's the 3 properties: real, rational, and unequal. Let's go to the next one. Again, that's already in standard form. So I can simply work out the value of delta. So ek het vir b kwadraat minus 4a en c. Ons kyk wat is delta nou. That's 25 minus 8. That's going to give me 17. So kom ons gaan kyk. Delta is groter of gelyk aan 0. So it's definitely real roots. Delta in this case is not a perfect square. So this is now not rational, but irrational. Irrational. Can you remember the symbol for irrational? Irrational. Irrational. That one over there. Irrational, write it out. And then is it equal or unequal? Again, unequal because delta is not equal to 0. Unequal roots. Okay, this one. B squared, delta equals B squared minus 4a and c. Ons gaan kyk, 36 minus 36, dit gee vir my 0. So, wortels is reëel, want delta is gelyk aan 0, groter of gelyk aan 0. Is hy rasionaal of irrasionaal? Hy is rasionaal, want delta is gelyk aan 0, is rasionaal, dit is ons 'n volkome vierkant, 0, 0, 0 is 0, en dan die laaste een is die wortels gelyk of ongelyk, delta is 0, so daarom is dit die wortels gelyk. Goed, laaste een, delta b squared, b equals minus 1, minus 4ac, and now we've got 1 minus 8, that gives you minus 7. So now, the roots is non-real. Non-real. So, you can't give any other characteristics because if roots are non-real, it means it doesn't exist. As ons prentjies van hierdie goed moet gaan teken en ons sê dat die wortels reël en dan beteken dit reël, rasionaal en ongelyk is, dan kan dit moontlik 'n parabool wees wat so lyk. Wortels dit bestaan, maar dit is ongelyk. Hierso, selle gaan ook so ietsie lyk. Beteken maar net in plaas van dat dit deur die x-as op spesifieke heelgetalwaardes gaan, soos hier gaan dit hier nou net tussendeur. Dis irrasionale wortels. Hierdie ouetjie, if roots are equal, it means the parabola turns exactly on the x-axis. And this one, it means the parabola will not come near to the x-axis at all. So there's not any real roots. So ek kan nog steeds die prentjie gaan teken, maar ek gaan net nie na by die x-as kom.